Hello, fragrance specialists! My name is Chance, welcome to my guide, and thank you for taking a look at another one of our essential oil breakdowns. Today, we're looking at the ever-popular Cypress. This essential oil has been well used for basically since aromatherapy has been around. To be honest, I can't really remember a time where this wasn't an uber popular essential oil. There's also a lot of beginner kits that contain cypress. Even the name cypress itself seems to have a weird association with aromatherapy. But that being said, it is... I don't know how I feel about it personally. I don't typically use cypress a whole lot. I have it, but I don't know, looking back at it, I can't really remember the last time I had a recipe that really called for it. I'm much more of a fan of spruce, I find, but some people find it to be a little bit much. Cypress is much more toned down, so I don't know, personal preference aside, always consult a doctor before use, and now let's quickly take a look at its profile here. Its scent is most commonly described as slightly woody and evergreen. Its uses are as followed: Astringent, excessive perspiration, hemorrhoids, menorrhagia, oily skin, rheumatism, and varicose veins. I've actually seen it used for varicose veins quite a bit. I take it back. I am aware of a lot of recipes that use it, but I don't have varicose veins. A lot of the people I know don't either, so I feel like that's why we might not use it quite so much, but beside the point, of course. Main method of extraction is steam distilled, and it blends well with cedarwood, eucalyptus, lavender, lemon, orange, peppermint, pine, sandalwood, and ylang. Under notes, you'll see apply with carrier oil. I don't quite know how well cypress and pine would work together, so I might be a little bit apprehensive there. To me, that might seem a little bit much, but I suppose it all depends on dilution and, of course, what else is in that particular mix. In any case, let's quickly check out its history here. In classical antiquity, the cypress was a symbol of mourning, and in the modern era, it remains the principal cemetery tree in both the Muslim world and Europe. In the classical tradition, the cypress was associated with death and the underworld because it failed to regenerate when cut back too severely. It is also known for its very durable scented wood, used most famously for the doors of St. Peter's Basilica in the Vatican City, Rome. In cosmetics, it is used as an astringent, firming, antiseptic, anti-dandruff, anti-aging, and as a fragrance. So quite a bit of uses there. I know I butchered at least two of those words, so I do apologize for that, but once again, really not a chemist or a scientist. In any case, cypress has a really cool history to it for sure. I'm unaware of any limitations or any problems with the tree itself in terms of sustainability, so it's pretty safe to assume it's going to be around for a long stretch of time and relatively little environmental impact in harvesting them. That being said, let's quickly take a look at a neat little recipe. Today we just have a diffuser recipe, namely the Alertness diffusion. I really like diffuser recipes just for the simple fact that they're really simple, really easy to use, and super easy to implement. This one is really only 3 ingredients. 6 drops spearmint, 2 drops cypress, and 2 drops lemon. I've always been a fan of the spearmint lemon combo. I think it really balances itself out really nicely, and I could certainly see cypress complementing both of those quite well. And all you really need to do, if you're not too familiar, is just add it to your diffuser and just inhale. That's really about it. Part of the reason why I really like diffusers are just uber easy to use. That being said, if you like cypress and you want to experiment with it, or if you're running low, please do check out Rocky Mountain Oils, links down beneath in the description. And as always, if you have any thoughts, questions, comments, or concerns, please do feel free to comment down beneath and drop any cool recipes you have as well. That being said, I hope you have a great day, and as always, may all of your future endeavors smell divine.